So tell me, is losing weight feels like a struggle for you? And every time you try to lose a weight, it feels like a big task for you. It feels like a challenge for you. But what if I tell you that the losing weight or maintaining an ideal weight isn't just physical. Sometimes our body is storing a lot of those emotional blocks, knowingly or unknowingly, that's not helping us to lose or attain an ideal weight. No matter how much healthy lifestyle you're maintaining or you're doing a lot of exercises. So today, I'm going to share you a powerful technique called EFT tapping, which will help you to lose that extra weight, maintain a healthy lifestyle, along with your exercise and other things which you are doing it. So are you ready? So let's tap along with me. Just sit comfortably wherever you are. And let's start by taking 2 deep breaths. Just inhale through your nose. And as you exhale, just relax yourself completely. Let's take one more deep breath in. And as you exhale, just fully relax. And now we are going to start with the karate chop point. So at the side of your hand, start tapping and repeat after me. And say, even though I have been struggling with my weight, maybe from years, and I'm not able to reach my ideal weight, no matter how hard I try. But in spite of that, I deeply and completely accept myself exactly the way I am. Even though I keep telling myself that losing weight is so hard and it requires so much of effort, but I choose to let go of these old stories and I choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself exactly the way I am. Even though I may have been carrying the negative feelings, the judgment about my body, and even my eating habits, my lifestyle, but today I choose to release them and I choose to love myself exactly the way I am. Just release your hand and take a deep breath in and exhale. Now, let's start tapping with the 2 fingers of one of your hand and repeat with me. Whatever struggle I am facing with my weight right now, it sometimes makes me feel frustrated and stuck. Side of the eyes. All this pressure to lose weight, all this pressure to always maintain a healthy lifestyle, it feels so overwhelming. Under your eyes. I find it so hard to stay consistent. Maybe I'll start one day, but that I am not able to stay consistent. Under your nose. All this extra weight that I'm carrying physically and emotionally, all this judgment about my body. Under your chin. I want to feel better, but it feels hard. At your collarbone. All these negative feelings I'm having about my body, all this guilt, all this unnecessary judgment at your crown. I keep judging myself for not being perfect. And all this guilt about what I should eat or what I should not eat. Sometimes it's so hard for me to stop my cravings. At the side of your eyes. And all this stress, all this pressure about losing my weight, trying to look perfect, side of the eyes. I just want to let go of all this guilt and shame about my weight loss. Under your eyes. And I'm ready to release all these heavy emotions. Even though I have these cravings that feel sometimes out of control, but I choose to listen to my body and make healthy choices. Under your nose, all those intense cravings that I'm not able to control. So name here the specific cravings you might have. Like for some, it might be sweets, chocolates, or fast food. Just say it that all my cravings for chocolate, for the sweets, under your chin. And I sometimes feel totally out of control, powerless around certain foods that I really like. And it's hard for me to let it go. But when I eat, I feel stressed and guilty that why did I eat it? Over your crown. But all these cravings don't define me. I can choose what I need to eat to nourish my body, to make it feel stronger and healthier. Because I am stronger than all my cravings. At your collarbone. And I choose to honor what my body truly needs. Side of your eyes. Even though I put all this pressure on myself to lose weight and try to look perfect, but in spite of that, I deeply and completely love and accept myself exactly the way I am, taking full responsibility of my own well-being. Side of the eyes. All this pressure to lose weight and look good. Should I eat this? Should I not eat that? Or am I eating too much? All this anxiety and pressure about being perfect, not enjoying my life. Under your eyes. Sometimes I'm so mean and hard to myself. I feel that I can't stick to my routine or to the healthy habits. Nothing works for me anyway. But I'm acknowledging this pressure and I'm letting it go. All these stories about how hard it is to lose weight, I have been telling myself that this weight loss is so hard. It's really a difficult challenge. And that it requires a lot of effort and willpower. And maybe because of my age, it's harder to lose weight. All these stories I keep telling to myself, I choose to release now. These are all the old stories that are not letting me attain my ideal weight and stay healthy. Over your crown. And even though I may believe consciously or unconsciously that this extra weight is keeping me safe for whatever reason, but I choose to just let it go and feel safe while loving myself exactly the way I am. At your collarbone. So whatever reasons I may be holding, consciously or unconsciously, all the old beliefs that this extra weight I'm carrying is keeping me safe in some way, I'm letting it go. Continue to keep taking deep breath. One more round. I'm letting go of the need to feel protected by my weight. I choose to feel safe in getting fitter and healthier. Side of the eyes. And I'm treating myself with more and more love and acceptance in my body, in my mind, and in my spirit. I totally feel safe and loved exactly the way I am. under your eyes. And I'm releasing all these old stories, all these limiting beliefs. I'm letting go of all the story that weight loss is difficult or hard. And maybe it runs in my family. So I'm clearing away all these old beliefs today. Under your nose. Even though my mind says that weight loss is difficult, but I choose to tell myself a new story that releasing weight is so easy, effortless, and fun. Under your chin. So I'm choosing to tell a new story now. That releasing weight, for whatever reason, it's stored in my body, it's so easy for me to release. And my body fully supports me in my weight loss journey. I can release the weight in fun and wonderful ways. And I don't need to restrict my diet or do a hard training because weight loss is so easy and effortless. It's so enjoyable for me. Over your crown. And I trust in this process. And I'm feeling so good about it. That releasing weight is so much fun, easy, and effortless. Building positive habits, eating healthy is so natural to me. Take a deep breath and release. And let's do a final round. Start tapping with me at the side of your eyes. Even though I may have struggled in the past, but today I choose to create healthy habits and enjoy my weight loss journey. Side of the eyes. And I'm ready to make healthy choices. And I'm ready to let go of all the limiting beliefs I may have around getting to my ideal weight. Under your eyes. And I enjoy taking small steps every day. My body deserves all the love and care. And I choose foods that nourish me, that's healthy for me. I love moving my body. And it feels so good that I'm building a healthier relationship with food and my body. I feel stronger and confident every single day. And I love and accept myself exactly the way how I am. And I'm okay in every moment. I have the power to choose. And I choose now to be healthy and loving. Because I know deep down what's right for me. And my body is guiding it to me naturally without any effort. I am feeling so calm, centered, and confident. And I am listening to my body, what my body needs. And it feels so relaxed and fun to enjoy living a healthy life. Just take a deep breath in. Inhale deeply. And as you exhale, just slowly ground yourself and feel the calmness and lightness in your body. And use this EFT tapping daily so that it support you in releasing all the negative thoughts, any limiting beliefs, or any pressure that may arise within you while you are, trying to lose the weight. And repeat this until you feel calm, peaceful, and relieved. And just feel good about the process. Just enjoy the journey and allow yourself to feel completely relaxed. Develop more self-love for your body, mind, and spirit. So I hope it helps you feeling relaxed while you are moving towards your healthier and fitter body and mind. And do share your experience in the comment box below. I would love to hear how you felt. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and be well. Thank you.